The AI recruiting revolution. Will hiring managers be replaced by AI bots in 2026? Hello everyone, I'm Chiraz Kelly, welcoming you back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's both exciting and a little unsettling. The AI recruiting revolution. Will hiring managers be replaced by bots in 2026? We're going to walk through the full landscape, what's happening now, what's coming, what remains human, what's at risk. And by the end, you'll have a clear understanding of whether bots will take over hiring managers or whether humans will still be in the driver's seat. So if you work in HR, talent acquisition, recruiting, or you're just curious about the future of work, this episode is for you. Let's jump in. Section 1. Setting the scene where we are today. AI has quietly become the backbone of modern recruiting. Nearly every major organization now uses automation somewhere in its hiring pipeline. AI scans thousands of applications, extracts skills, matches them to job descriptions, and even ranks candidates by fit. Chatbots answer questions instantly and schedule interviews automatically. Some systems analyze facial expressions and voice tone in video interviews to predict confidence and communication style. The results are impressive. Time to hire has dropped, hiring costs have fallen, and recruiters are free to focus on strategy rather than logistics. But the growing dependence on AI also introduces new concerns: bias hidden inside algorithms, lack of transparency, and a loss of human connection. We're living in the age of AI-assisted recruitment. The question now is, how far will it go? Section 2. The big question: will hiring managers be replaced by bots? To know if bots will replace hiring managers, we have to define replacement. Does it mean full automation, no humans involved? Or partial automation where humans just oversee the process? Today, AI already runs the early stages: sourcing, screening, and scheduling. But making the final call still belongs to people. AI can rate a resume, but it can't yet sense passion, curiosity, or the spark that makes someone a great fit. By 2026, automation will likely handle most repetitive recruiting tasks. Hiring managers, however, will evolve rather than disappear. Their roles will shift from administrators to interpreters, using AI insights to make smarter, fairer human decisions. So, will bots take over completely? Unlikely. But the job of the hiring manager will be transformed forever. Section 3. The changing role of hiring managers. The hiring manager of the future looks very different from today's version. Instead of manually reviewing applications, they'll guide AI systems to find the right talent faster. They'll use data dashboards showing candidate quality, performance predictions, and diversity indicators. AI will take over the busy work screening, scheduling, and scoring, while managers focus on higher value work, defining roles, assessing culture fit, and building long-term relationships. They'll need new skills too: data literacy to understand how AI makes recommendations, empathy and storytelling to connect authentically with candidates, ethical awareness to ensure algorithms stay fair and unbiased. Hiring managers won't vanish. They'll evolve into talent strategists, humans who work alongside intelligent systems. Section 4. What won't be replaced? AI is powerful, but it's not human. Some aspects of hiring are still beyond its reach. Cultural fit, understanding whether someone will thrive within a team dynamic. Emotional intelligence, sensing motivation, humility, or ambition through conversation. Leadership potential, evaluating how someone inspires others, not just their technical skill. Complex judgment calls, weighing personality, creativity, and soft skills that data can't quantify. AI can inform these decisions, but only humans can feel them. That emotional intuition remains one of the last frontiers of the human recruiter, and it's what keeps hiring human. Section 5. Risks and pitfalls of AI recruiting. Every technological revolution brings its dangers, and AI recruiting is no exception. Bias is the biggest threat. Algorithms learn from historical data, and if that data contains bias, the system amplifies it. A model trained on years of male-dominant hiring might unconsciously prefer similar profiles. Transparency is another problem. When an AI rejects a candidate, few companies can explain exactly why. Without transparency, fairness and accountability are impossible. Candidate experience also suffers when humans disappear entirely. Candidates want to feel valued, not filtered by a faceless system. Over-automation can erode employer reputation and trust. Finally, there's over-reliance. Some hiring teams grow too comfortable with AI outputs and stop questioning them. A balanced approach, combining machine precision with human judgment, is crucial. Section 6. How hiring managers can thrive in the AI era. The best strategy isn't to compete with AI, it's to collaborate with it. Embrace AI as an ally. Learn what tools your company uses and how they make decisions. Double down on human strengths. Communication, empathy, and leadership assessment will become your edge. Get fluent in data. Learn to interpret metrics and challenge algorithmic results when they don't make sense. Champion ethics and transparency. Push for fairness in AI design and usage. Think strategically. Move beyond filling positions, shape long-term talent and workforce planning. AI may change the process, but great hiring managers will always be the storytellers who connect people to purpose. Section 7. What employers should consider. For employers, adopting AI recruiting isn't just about installing new software, it's about re-engineering the entire hiring philosophy. Before jumping in, companies should clarify their goals. Is the aim speed, diversity, or cost reduction? Audit their data. Poor data leads to biased models. Choose vendors carefully. Transparency and auditability must be non-negotiable. Keep humans in the loop. Automation should free recruiters, not replace them. Monitor continuously. Regularly review diversity outcomes and candidate satisfaction. When AI and humans work in tandem, companies unlock the best of both worlds, efficiency and empathy. Section 8. 3 possible futures for 2026. Let's imagine how recruiting might look by 2026. Scenario 1. Hybrid dominance. Most organizations use AI for screening and scheduling, but humans make final decisions. Hiring managers focus on relationships and strategic insight. Scenario 2. High-volume automation. In retail or gig economy jobs, AI runs the entire pipeline from sourcing to offer letters, with humans stepping in only for exceptions. Scenario 3. Full bot replacement. A handful of ultra-automated companies experiment with bots as hiring managers, but mostly in low-complexity roles. Strategic and leadership positions remain human-driven. Among these, the hybrid model is by far the most realistic and the healthiest balance of scale and sensitivity. Section 9. What this means for job seekers. AI is changing how candidates must prepare too. Understand that your resume will likely be read by an algorithm first. Use clear formatting, relevant keywords, and quantifiable results. Avoid overly creative layouts that confuse scanners. When you reach human interaction, shift gears, show your story, your motivation, and your personality. Those are the qualities AI can't measure. Also, stay adaptable. AI systems learn fast, and so should you. Keep upgrading your skills, learn emerging technologies, and be open to feedback. In the new hiring world, the best candidates combine data readiness with human authenticity. Section 10. The final takeaway. So, will hiring managers be replaced by bots in 2026? Probably not, but their roles will be reshaped beyond recognition. AI will handle the mechanical tasks of recruiting, scanning, sorting, scheduling, and scoring. Humans will handle the meaning, understanding who people are, how they think, and where they belong. The future of hiring isn't human or machine. It's human and machine working together to make smarter, fairer, and faster decisions. Those who embrace this partnership will thrive. Those who resist it risk being left behind. The AI recruiting revolution isn't coming. It's already here, and it's redefining what it means to hire, to lead, and to be human in the age of intelligent machines.